Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to post a job in Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the simple thing is, you cannot really post a job vacancy or a job description on your regular Facebook profile. You will need a business profile to simply upload or post a job in Facebook. So if you have a business profile, then simply open your business page, log into your Facebook account, and look for the job tab on the left hand sidebar of your business page. So now simply tap on that particular option and tap on create jobs. Then simply enter the job title, salary, description, and any other relevant information. Now you can also add a screening option, like you can add questions to help filter candidates. And now simply tap on post a job. Simply review your job posting and click on the post button. And this will allow you to simply post a job in Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.